touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
I have a small haul from Amazon, very small. I got what the ordinary. This is the foaming cleanser, because it did work. So your girl said she gotta step up and get the big one. I still have serum and I still have the moisturizer, so I'm gonna top up on that yet. But I run out of this. But this, may I tell you see this, it worked for my face, guys. If you look at my face now, because I've been out for about 2 weeks now, I haven't been doing any skincare because my clean and care scrub did finish too. So I haven't been doing any skincare for like 2 to 3 weeks now, and my face I break out back. So this work. If you're thinking about it, get it. It's in my Amazon storefront, guys. So yeah, I got this. The other one finished, so I'm say let me try a different scent. And this is a shea butter 24-hour moisturizing body, fresh and cozy. So I'm so excited to try this. Oh my god. This is me. This is so nice. This is giving, guys, this is giving bedtime routine. This is giving bedtime. You know those nighttime shower and you want to feel cozy and nice, you know? Yeah. After a shower, this smells fresh. It's a little floral. The other one is more cocoa butter scented to me. But this more floral. I love floral scented stuff. My daughter is obsessed with vanilla. I don't mind vanilla, you know, but if you want to get me something, get me anything floral. Yeah, floral scent, I love it. This smells good, so you need to get yours. And I've never tried the Dove body scrub before. So this is the Dove body scrub. And this is a vanilla sugar shea butter. I tell you, my daughter obsessed with it, so I kind of get this for her. Ooh. It smells good. Oh my god. Guys, this smells really nice. I have the vanilla shower gel. Well, I don't have much vanilla. I want to do a nighttime routine, guys. But this smells good. And last but not least, I got me a hot comb. The one I have, guys, it's hot, but it not press down. It not give me the sleek part. So the girlies recommend getting the Andis brand, which is this. Yeah. So this brand seemed to do it. It heats up to 450 Fahrenheit. Ceramic coated comb, 20 heat settings, smooth and soft for all air type, tangle free. So this press comb, I'm excited for it. I can't wait to test it out to see how it works. But the others I bought, like, let me show you. Look, this is the very first one that I had. It do a little thing, but is in a hot as well. I think this one look hotter than that one, yeah. And I got this off Amazon, this Chinaman shop, but it's just one setting. You see right here with this the power part here, so different. This one have the power right here, yeah, but them not so good. So I see the girl is here, you saying that, and this brand should work better. So let us see. I'm going to tell you you're going to see in upcoming week tutorials that I'm gonna be doing, if it work right now. But I need something hot. So when press down there, some want it flat. I'm going to be testing this out and look and see how it work. I mean, my hair is cornrow into 2, so it's a little bulky up the top, but let us see how hot it gets. Guys, trust me, you can feel the difference. You know, you can feel the difference. This light comparing to this is so light. This one is a little bit weightier than that one, but this quality. This is quality. So you have the off and on button, and then right here is where you select the temperature that you want, and then this is the stand which come built screwed on already, and then we're going to turn it on. So we're going to press the on button and it comes on, and then here, so you have 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, I'm going to put it on the max. I'm going to put it on 20 first to see how hot it really gets. Ha! It hot fast, guys. The other one, you have to put that down and go bed so it can heat up. Put that down and go bed, and then you come back. This hot. Hot. So guys, I'm gonna put some of the work. Wanna see the difference? Look. It's flat. It's quite flat compared to yourself. Come here to this before, you know. I use the comb. I said, no man, this not flat. Nah, give me the flatness as what I love. Yeah. So sometimes these things we're not achieving the desired look because of the tools. The tools is not the right one. So I have to invest in a good tools to get good results. So yeah. Flat. I went to the beauty store and I got some other little stuff that I needed. So I ran out of alcohol. So I made I install the skunk here. No alcohol. If you did look close, you see my forehead kind of look very sticky. But I have no alcohol. Run out. So I got alcohol. I got this for $500. I bought one of these hair dye for my natural hair. Sometimes I want to wear my natural hair out, but it's because when I had it locks, it was blonde and it just not holding the dye in a black. This not as good, you know, but I needed something for dye my hair black. But let's get this. I got the Ebin adhesive spray. I'm gonna test this out, even though I ordered the Kiss brand adhesive spray for the lace wig, but I haven't received it yet. I thought I would have gotten it in because I thought I saw 2 packages, but only got 1. But I should be getting the Kiss one soon. So I'm gonna test this out because it's strong. I see the girl is using this, so I'm gonna test out that. I got another melting band. I got a bonnet. My daughter took my bonnet. You see, guys, you have a baby girl who is small, no, to appreciate those moments where things them can just dead air for you use. It's when them reach older, like my daughter who's gonna be 20 soon. Like she thinks that everything I'm gonna buy for me and her. And when I need my things them done, them she don't know. And a headache, bracing herself. All my girl moms out there, young girls, brace yourself for them turn adults. You don't have nothing belongs to you. Them take away everything. I got a olive oil mousse because I run out of mousse for the other one. Guys, my other one synthetic wig from DH over the fence. And guys, for the story though, when I bought the wig, I saw it for $26. I'm read the reviews. I'm like, yeah, everybody getting good reviews and how the wig is nice. And they said for 26, that's a steal. It was within the Chinese holiday, so I thought it was like a sale going on. After pressing buy, yeah, then I read and I realized the hair was a synthetic wig. But I don't mind because I can get to practice doing my wig install. I'm not professional, I'm a beginner, so but we can use them for practice. So I don't know, it's a synthetic deep curly, and I run out of mousse, and I say maybe I don't know if we can put this in a heat, but I get back a mousse. I got this lace wig glue. I've never tried this before. It's a color ABC. It named color ABC lace wig adhesive extreme firm hold. It's fast drying, perspiration resistant. So I miss it because girl, when me start sweating, me install them wig then everything lift off. And guys, I truly don't know the struggles behind the scene. Sometimes I get so hot, like especially if the flat iron on and the curling iron and something, I start sweat it off. So I have to either install the wig and stand up underneath the fan, or like turn on the AC to get it laid down. But I paid $1,200 for this glue, kind of pricey. So me I hope say it work, because the ghost band is what I've been using. I don't know if anybody use this color ABC. Got this in the wholesale. Everything hair related, I got them in the wholesale today. And of course I get gummy bear. Alright, so let us talk about my YouTube journey and so forth. I posted a video yesterday, spent some few days in my life where I had done my lash appointment and installed the wig, and I went to Lucy, that video. So I did not put a subscriber count in that video, totally forgot that. So as of this video, we're at 460 subscribers. To all my subscribers, everybody that hit the subscribe button, road to 500. My March, you know, the March you did say about you did say by 500, and I thought it was by June, guys. Yes, that is the goal. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to Hemprezz Euphoria's YouTube channel. I do lifestyle content, vlogs, cooking, beauty, you name it. Definitely hit that subscribe button, turn the post notification on, guys, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. So yeah, 460 subscribers, we going on, we're doing it. We're doing it, yay. So I'm so grateful for you guys. I know last week I haven't posted for the entire week. Usually I will drop at least 2 videos for the week or 3 videos depending on what's happening, but last week was just so rough, like both mentally and physically. I really want to improve on my content creation, so I am trying to see if obviously I can save some money to get one of the DJI Osmo camera, the vlogging camera. That one, it's small because I'm a shy girl in public, you know. I can't tell when I take out the phone, it's like I'm shy, but too with persons believing that you're videoing them, you know what I mean? I say, and I hate the feeling like when I'm doing my thing, you're over there giving me the eyes, like, you know. So I think that DJI Osmo something like that camera would be so cute because it is small, it has a front camera, it can be vertical, and it can be vertical, likewise landscape. So I can do creation for my other social media platform, because I've been struggling with my TikTok, struggling with Instagram, because it takes so much to be doing all of the content for the other area with the vertical and the landscape. So that camera to me is like a buy one get two. It's a win-win, and the quality is not bad because I've been watching quite a few videos and the quality not bad. So pray guys for me that I can get that camera, you know, and you can expect to see some good quality videos, because I know that my content is good. It's just the delivery at times where the quality just it not matching. I know that I judge myself hard, you know, but I want to deliver the best. And persons who, I'm not comparing myself to other people, but I'm seeing where persons who have good quality content, they grow faster than persons who don't have good quality camera from. And when I say quality, I'm referring to the video, not so much about the audio. I hear a lot of content creators talk about the audio is important. Yes, audio is important, but I feel like the first time when them click it, and if they're not looking as people click off, they're not watching the content to see the context of it. Them not watch it to see the context of it. It's just like people who you would know, and people who know you, and people who give it a chance to see what I'm about and what I'm bringing will understand and, you know, support me. But to get new subscribers, because when I look at my analytics, I'm seeing quite a few new subscribers who are watching, but they're not subscribing, you know, they're not. When I look for the month, a lot of persons who are new in comparing to my returning subscribers. Yeah. So yeah. So pray for me guys that I can get that camera soon and very soon. Hopefully before summer, because summer coming, I want to be outside. So I'm closing the vlog here. Just want to say thank you so much if you have watched the vlog to this very end. Mwah, love you so much. If you watch the vlog to the end, I want you to put the heart emoji. Let me see who is my real one. So me do the video about fake friends. Let me see what my real friend them for YouTube. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share the video, and hit that bell. Bye bye.